In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can start getting new posts delivered straight to you. Start by opening your web browser and heading to substack.com. This is the main hub for publications and posts, so make sure the address is typed correctly and that you're on the official site. Once the page loads, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see navigation elements, featured posts, and ways to explore different writers and topics. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click the option labeled Website. This left sidebar is where Substack groups important areas of the platform, and the website section helps you move around quickly. If the layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry, Substack sometimes updates its design. The key idea is to use the left navigation to access the core pages you need. Next, click Home. This brings you to a clean starting point where you can browse what's featured, spot trending publications, and get a feel for what you might want to read. Think of Home as your central dock. It's a great place to begin if you're not sure exactly which publication to follow yet, or if you're just exploring. From here, choose a post that catches your eye, click into it to open the full article. Inside the post or on the publication's main page, look for the subscribe button. It's typically easy to spot and may appear at the top, near the header, or as a banner prompting you to subscribe. Clicking subscribe connects you to that publication so new posts arrive in your inbox and appear in your Substack reading feed. That way you won't have to hunt around for updates, you'll get them automatically. Depending on the publication, you may see options when you subscribe, such as free or paid. Pick whatever matches what you want right now. If you're just getting started, the free option is a simple way to follow along. If you're prompted to enter your email, type it carefully so you receive updates without interruption. You may also see an on-screen message letting you know your subscription is active. That's all there is to it. Go to substack.com, use the left sidebar to access website, and then home, open a post you like, and click subscribe. Repeat the same flow anytime you discover a new writer you want to follow, and you'll build a personalized reading list that meets you where you are.